Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Klenzit C gel. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Gently wash your face with a mild cleanser, then pat it dry. Next, take a small amount of Klenzit C gel, about a pea-sized amount, and apply a very thin layer to the areas of your skin affected by acne. Remember to use it only once a day, usually in the evening before bed. When using Klenzit C gel, it's crucial to avoid sensitive areas. Keep the gel away from your eyes, lips, and the inside of your nose or mouth. Never apply it to skin that is cut, scraped, or severely irritated, as this can cause discomfort. Also, your skin might become more sensitive to the sun, so always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher during the day. You might experience some mild side effects when you first start using Klenzit C gel, such as slight dryness, redness, or a mild burning sensation. These usually improve over time as your skin adjusts. However, if you develop severe irritation, excessive peeling, or persistent discomfort, stop using the gel immediately. Always consult your doctor if your acne worsens or if side effects become unmanageable. Proper storage is important for Klenzit C gel. Keep it in a cool, dry place at room temperature, away from direct heat and sunlight, to maintain its effectiveness. Always ensure it's stored safely out of the reach of children and pets. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Consistency is key for best results, so follow your doctor's instructions carefully for clear skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.